Hi everyone! If you've been using Zoho Mail for your professional needs in terms of email provider, let me show you how to change your signature to be able to include your pronoun in parentheses beside your name. So it's actually really simple. You just need to go in your Zoho Mail account. And then up here on the upper right corner, just go into settings. Then it's going to open up this window. Now just scroll down at the bottom on the left hand side in the menu. Just click on signature. And then I already have a few signatures, so just select the one that you want to modify. So let's say I'll go with the first one. And then I just click in the window to be able to write what I want to write. And then I just go at the bottom here and click on update. And you see here it says signature updated successfully. So now you just need to close this window. And from now on, anytime you write a new email, your signature is going to automatically add your pronoun because it's your new email signature that will be automatically added to all your new emails. So it was really simple. So I hope you enjoyed that. You found it really informative. Subscribe to this channel for more information, tips, and tricks on how to implement inclusive communication in your business. Bye.